Hello again. Today we're going to talk about purchasing real estate in Turkey, land or house. First question, can a foreigner buy a real estate in Turkey? The answer is yes, but there are some limitations legally. First, the land you can buy is limited to 30 hectares. Secondly, you cannot buy a house in military zones. And you cannot buy more than 10% in one town. And what is the first step I should take when I'm gonna buy a real estate in Turkey? The first step is check out the market, because as many countries, actually all around the world, when you are a foreigner, it's hard to find the right prices when you're gonna buy something. So you should check out the websites regarding that issue, like sahibinden.com or hürriyetemlak.com. Turkey's real estate market is very dynamic, so you should check out the prices and the conditions in your region so you can get the best price for yourself. And what should I watch out for? A real estate worth to buy legally should have three things properly. First, title deed. In Turkish, we call it tapu. Secondly, it must have building license. In Turkish, we call it imar. And the third one is habitation certificate. We call it iskan. When a title deed, means tapu, is covered with blue frame, it means it's a land title deed. And if it's covered with red frame, it means it's a house or apartment. And the other document, as important as the title deed, is habitation certificate, which is called iskan, because it shows that the building has been built regarding legal requirements and all legal liabilities are successfully granted. At this point, I want to make two very important warnings. First, you should check everything about the real estate in the land registry office. It's very important, because you cannot claim that you didn't know anything that take place in the records of the land registry office. The law accepts that you already know whatever recorded there. So it's very important. Also, you can check whether there is a line or any other legal liabilities on the real estate you are considering to buy. It is very important. And secondly, any kind of purchase contracts have been made out of the land registry office is not valid. Okay? So if you are purchasing a real estate, you must do it on the land registry office to be valid legally. Sometimes foreigners come to us with legal disputes regarding that issue. They make a contract in a real estate agent or anywhere else, and they pay money and they want to get a title deed, but it's not valid. Yes, you can ask your money back legally, but to get your title deed, to get your rights properly, it has to be done on the land registry office. So what is the legal fee of real estate agents in Turkey? It's 4%. It's 50-50 paid by the buyer and the seller. Please, I strongly recommend you to talk it through before you start to work with the agent, and be ready to negotiate, and so you can get better prices. Last but not least, what documents do I need to get a property in Turkey? First, tax identification number. Second, bank account. Third, interpreter in present in the legal offices. notarized translation of your passport, and 5, your biometric photos. You can get your tax identification number, bank account, other documents, and follow all the procedure, or you can hire a lawyer and we can assist you in all these steps and get your property and all your legal rights protected. See you on the next video. I'm waiting for your comments and questions on the comment section.